What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm replacing the skylight with a new one. We have a large crack there. Go ahead and peel all the caulking. You got some small screws you got to tend to. Also, there's butyl tape underneath that you will need to remove. Make sure to remove all the butyl tape and be careful. Be careful not to tear the cover. The new skylight is an SL1422. The flange is 18 by 26 and the actual dome is 14 by 22 with 4 inches of height. It does come in various colors: clear, white, and smoke. Here you can see I've applied the butyl tape and I went ahead and screwed it down. Make sure you got the seal all the way around. Next step is to add the self-leveling lap sealant. This is the lap sealant. You can get it on Amazon, your local hardware store. That's it. She's all done. Just have to let that settle some. Later this week, I'll wet mop the entire roof.